Welcome back to Ideal Color Paint Mixing TV. For today's video, we will mix automotive metallic matte pink gold and brown. A matte finish is characterized by its lack of shine or gloss. This type of finish is great for those who want subtle, low-key look for their metal product. Okay, let's start.
Bartender can.
Our client order 1 liter matte gold automotive acrylic paint mix. Let's start by pouring acrylic sparkle irid silver. Then let's add acrylic gold toner. Also add a little drop of acrylic red gold. Let's now stir the paint very well. We are more lighter. Let's add more gold toner, red gold, and sparkle irid. Oh, it's almost the same. Just add a little more silver to become brighter. Let's now add acrylic flattening paste to achieve the matte finish shade. We are more on yellow gold. Let's add more red gold. Also drop more silver to become more brighter. Let's also add more gold toner. We are a little darker than the client sample. We make it more brighter by adding more gold toner, silver, and flattening paste. the same color. Already! Mixing accomplished. Our next order, 250 grams of metallic matte brown, urethane paint mix. Let's start by pouring 2K red gold. Followed by 2K mica russet pearl. Also add 2K flat black. Then chromato mica green pearl. Also drop of metallic coarse silver. For more lighter, let's add more flat black. Adding more mica green pearl. We array more darker. Let's add more mica russet pearl and metallic coarse silver to become much lighter. It become lighter. Just add more flat black. almost the same. Just drop 2K cyanine blue to reduce the brownish shade. Yes, it's the same shade already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.